Welcome to my game development stream. As always, I start my development environment, then I play one round of my game, and then I decide what I work on today. Starting takes a few seconds. Command in the terminal. A few lines to still waiting. To game task, nothing to play. Nothing. Okay, it started, it was in the browser. Don't need to pick a class for test one so I can play what I want. Let's start fresh. I play play ball. I'm guy in the middle. I come close to enemies, they attack me. The bar above my head is my HP. If it reaches 0, I die, and if I die, I get a high score based on how far away from the I died. The goal is to get as far away as possible. Enemies get stronger the further away I am from the middle, and I get stronger the more enemies I kill. So I have to try get strong enough to defeat the enemies of the distance. To not travel too far. I might die. Now I play until I die or win. I think I'm already too far. I could already be dead. Let's go. Okay, on shield. I'm safe. Stay here a bit. I think I could go further in. Boss. Bonus damage. Up shield again. Find my. Oh, I missed. Missed again. Oh no, it's problematic. Damage. So I have everything. Should I try the boss? Or I should try to get more lives? take another bounce shield and HP D. C. Plus go him. Need 2 more and missed. I won. Okay. 0.6 million damage per second is good. Good damage meter. I have lightning ball, yes. 100 million. Did I hit enemies outside? Lightning strike. Bonus still. Okay, this is enemies outside. This makes. Does this count to step? Has no. Okay. Everything works. Okay, this was a 1. Do I work on today? Still working on dark, but first increase version. 77 today. Darkness. Struggle with it. It wasn't loaded. So somehow to limit my view, and I in a line of sight, but I struggle with this part. It's getting very long, but I at least had an idea. Function. Now I have to think. Change the name later. I probably take first. Now the question, I do not have a continue, I have a return. I put in. Thing I have to put in. So it's a break. It's a single step. It's a break. Probably return a boolean. There's no way it's a return. So if I put in a point, I return true. I return false. Just put in, and if I here I return false. Turn. Points. Positions. Current point. Do I? Let's take it. Game. shouldn't be everything. I want to change it to turn direction. Can use a position, also this type confuse. Closer direction, take position, oh, direction is also position. So this next, this was top right, bottom is closer. Oh, I have to use it. So, and one turn, one closer. Should be minus turn direction x, closer direction x. Wait. Plus turn plus. I think this is correct. And same for here. Twice. Turn. Closer blocking. Bottom is closer. Oh. Next closer I want unshift. B plus closer. So X. But what is a check if I have a wall point more? I have to check. It's like constant. I compare if it's last point, but this depends on the direction, turn direction. Last point. It's twice. It's last point. Shouldn't be the case. Is this a thinking? I would First, make the next closer. Yeah, this probably the main idea. The same as last point. It's fine. Problem is that last point could. No, I need first this. Oh, how? Can only calculate these if this. Let not same not duplicate is, let's call it as duplicate is false. Can do this, and if same as point or same as point equals 2, don't this check. I'm confused. Did it look? I only do it if I have. This is 2. Or did I miss a case? I'll find out later. Turn once, let's call it. Let on turn point. Left next turn. Turn one closer. Should I one turn? Next turn blocking. It's a add. Check him. Check for turn. Turn blocking. Turn one away. Turn direction, but way direction. working. I have stop next. Oh. How did I manage to do it correctly? So it's positive in all cases. Next away. So it's 2 turn 1 closer. Turn 1 turn. Okay. Take something like closer direction. This times 2. Okay, next 2 left. Turn. Turn. 2 turn. Wait a minute. Oh, it's correct. Turn direction. Just 1 turn. So 1 turn. Okay. Turn over. Direction. 2 turn. Stop next away. Okay, and I'm done. Now I do function. All points. Current point. Turn direction. This will be interesting. X, Y. Tile side. Oh no, cons direction left. Minus. Left top. Is to white. Positive. go top, it's negative and German positive, top down, left bottom. Oh, it's so I have turn direction is left. Closer direction is down. Away direction is top. Do I need both? Down closer I can don't need the second away direction. Let's save it up. Turn direction, so direction, away direction is the opposite from closer. Negative. 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 It's it. Oh, you know. Done. Show changed. So this will if this is false, if this is true, I continue. Like this. I not continue. So this is down. Down is now what it. At least I will find out if this works. Else is bottom to what? Top what? Top left. Let's do bottom left first. I think it's white. Up top. Direction. I've up. Bottom right to be top. Up. Left. I'm interested in what happens. Everything is dark. Okay. Is everything dark? Left, down, up. Down, downward. Left. This feels like counterclockwise. Let's try another. Okay, here it's not dark. Suddenly everything is dark. Yes, everything dark. So only walls. Is a frame which happened? One time I tried to speak German. Confused. To he order is 2 points. Why do they? Hello digger means hello friend. Yes, it does, but digger is this word. Umgangssprache. Umgangssprache. English.
Colloquial language.
Colloquial language, okay. What in the world is colloquial language? Is explanation. Such as y'all or gonna or wanna. Slang, yes, this is also fit. I was trying to figure out why everything gets black. So I don't do. Why is the same axis different? It's directional 7. doesn't sound correct. Did we set the direction would now be not true but false? Let's try to add the other direction, maybe. What happens then? I need to know where to add it. Okay, this is interesting. Need a boolean clockwise boolean clockwise something. Can I do this in one line? If I this and do it. Next away. Please. I guess I shall never say digger again. No, it's not so bad. So one turn. I'm using a PC. Low up. Next away. Does he now complain for unshift? Point. Oh, I miscopied. So, let's can do this. Human point should be can check this. To this will be true. I am top right. Turn direction is down. closer direction is left is turn direction is direction right. Direction left is closer. No. Direction down. And bottom right is left. Closer is up. Bottom left is up. Right. Something happens or not. Okay, something happens and it crashes. Points. 2 million is not what I want to see. Tell me, is it okay if I say digger? Is it okay if you say it? Play soccer, what position do you play? I played not professionally, just with friends sometime, and just didn't like to be goalkeeper, but I didn't think we had real positions if we played. It was mostly 3 against 3, so we were playing as every position. What are my points? It's already too big. 2 million, he cannot display it. Can I restart? It was it's crashed. First, debug, call it wake. Doesn't make sense. What make you decide to be a dog in the streams? Did I decide in some way? I think I was just I needed something simple to paint. It's just getting the easiest thing I might be able to paint out and use it. But I might be more better at painting a dog than a cat. Like, this might be the reason. A few steps. Jumping. Between 2 positions. And clockwise. Why do you hide your face? Exactly. Was a very unlikely chance of getting famous, and nobody knows how I look. Okay, I need to step to see what happening. Term. Can you show me for a millisecond? No, I cannot. Well, I will not. Don't want to. Oh, I have just away. The other one is probably next closer. Problem is I can loop forever. Easiest thing is I prevent duplicate points. Okay, let's change if duplicate to wait. I change this one. Thing this duplicate will be different. I will take all wall points, find one point x closer dot y closer. Did I miss? I have an is duplicate val. I need on every. Do I stop on duplicates? Guess. Duplicate I return false. Just away. It's not a duplicate. Not break. Then this is maybe a special case. Sure. It's the same. Next away. If he finds this point, I stop. Maybe now I don't run into endless loops. stuff is happening. This is exactly painting wrong way. Can try to understand it. Check all actions, it seems, yes. It's definitely not correct. Could new one. Less thing. I have to do I need this point? Then start here. Probably need some values for me to understand. Can I check? There's no quite here. Order. Somewhere it has to be. Vision walls. This is I wanna for a moment. Oh, not this. Gene. Gene. Minus X goes to the left. Interesting. Reason I don't see a shadow is because he hit here. It's the only one. If he goes outside, it explains why it can turn to the incorrect direction. Okay. So do I have to check vision range? at the point I also have to check it's too far away. Can change it up again. Return a position or undefined. So clockwise pull. Turn just closer. Don't need to. No, he wants to think about it. Duplicate check is just away. Undefined. Turn. Turn. Just away. Undefined. I return a point. I have next this undefined and it's undefined. Here, the next point. I have a next point. I check if it's a decade. It's not a decade. To check how away it is. Does he? Ah. What? Did I do wrong? The next point. The position or undefined? It's a never. Okay, he sees that I never set it. This is so. Next point is I X point should say never. Counterclockwise in here, so I always do the unshift. This point. I do this, I continue. Okay, let's change it. here to next point. Change this to next point. To see. Do the same. See, I found the next point. Check if it's a duplicate. It's not. It's possibly undefined where. Hyphen. Confused. I am totally confused. Check. It's not undefined. I have to be more explicit. Not undefined. See, he still complains. Why? Am I missing? Why are you complaining? To restart maybe? This doesn't feel like it makes sense. No, he still complains. Confused. Okay. It's this check. Doesn't need to be. Wrong. Now where I push vision center, but not the vision range. Vision. Did distance. Yeah, I think it was this value. Yes. Have everything. Okay, const. So const distance. Calculate distance from next point to center. Vision center. The distance is bigger than view distance. Hello Max, why so many const let? Can you be a bit more specific? So I could put this directly in the if. Do you mean something like this? Distance. You guys think so out of this way. Do the same down here. Check for distance to next point. So close. Don't go outside. Let's try. Still off. It's still buggy. Let's take this as an example. To not can stop here. I have 5 points. See, wait a second. It's 3. Button. It's 6 minus 3. 3 is 120. 6 is 240. This is top left corner. So it's top right. No, it's top left and top right. Think I start 280 minus 200. Minus 200 is minus 5. Is here. 280 is by 40. Is it 7? I think yes. So would be this point, top left. There's a point. Yeah, okay. So it starts here. It's down. It did go up. Steps are not correct. Can have just one more, so I can also stop here. This is starting. The starting position. Looking position here. T minus 80 minus 80 is minus 2. 40 is 6. So I hit this wall. this one. Should stop here. Try the different one. Go is undefined. Till not. Go in here. I think I can put a better point down. True. This is I to know first point. 240 minus 120. This is 6 minus 3. It's fine. Is it fine? It's already incorrect. Is it incorrect? It's incorrect. My starting point is special. Okay, can I do it better? Getting my first point. I don't have a good point, or my logic doesn't work out. Start here. Counterclockwise goes. Can go to the right. She's barely left. Okay. A minute. Okay, he's considered to the top left. So he can go right. Then he goes. So here he decides to go to white because can I interested in the first point? 2120. No. This one. I mean, did this button. Okay, I'm the next closer. One turn, one closer is blocking. Counterclock. I'm in top left. Turn should be down. Closer should expected it to be closer. Different way. Doesn't work out. But I had so do we think again? What's my thinking? Shadow is white is incorrect. It's an undefined place better. The second, let's do the second. Continue. Store in the top white. Of cases. Just away. Yeah, what would be a case I want? That would be to the right. Correct, but because stepping left is then on the left side of him, it changes. Interesting. So the target location of this position decides the logic. I have to rethink again. Can't I get a position? Try to step shadow lines along. It's a new point. I decide what I have a fig tree. It looks like the lazy emotion in Inside Out 2. Cannot understand how a fig tree could look like this emotion. It's like it has to lay flat on the ground, which doesn't sound good for a tree. It's shaped exactly like it, okay. I'll have to figure out what my first position is. Not a valid position. Stepping is incorrect. I'm on the borders. So I hit this tree. Say I search first blocking tile. Go from there to casting. This position was already wrong. Blocking position. Float it to get the tile I hit. In case I stay to the left because barely to the right of it, but then it would be correct that I'm on the left. Okay. Going to the right is an incorrect move here. Okay. I'm top left. Checks, but the correct order. I need more of these. need to move it here 20 degrees. Okay, this top left example. I think I have blocking. This is my collision tile. Blocking. I shall call it new tree. Okay. This is my collision. It's correct that I use this point. Did you name your channel? Oh, it's too long ago. Don't know why the loop part was important, but I think Helmi was taken and I just added something at the end. Something like this was it probably. What's Helmi? It's a name I used for my games mostly. Did I get it? Some character somewhere had this name and I just randomly picked it when I first created my first. Is it count at some platform or so? I don't remember. Somewhere I had to pick a username. This is a name that came to mind from some random character, not even known or don't know. I think I was from like a kids show or something. What's your name? It's a secret. It's Helmi. Call me Helmi. Secret? Secret? It's pronounced barely correct, oder?
Secret.
I think I at least say good enough. Secret. Sounds similar, but okay. Reason that turn is down because I'm on the left and one closer is to the right. Closer is no longer correct. How much out of a 10 did you rate Inside Out 2? Let me think. Let's give it a 9 out of 10. Think if my logic fails here. Don't know. I hope none you mind or you understand 9. Understood 9. I think my logic doesn't work here. Because I'm barely to the left. Do you like cooking? No. I don't have cooking skills. Either I order food or I do something which takes the least amount of effort. I cannot handle this, but I don't know how to do the stepping logic. What are your hobbies? Writing code, playing video games, watching animes. This is probably my hobbies. And I need some jogging for to don't sit around all day. Some sport. Jogging is the easiest one to do. What games you like? Currently playing Diablo 4 again. I played it came out, and now the newest season and I'm having fun, more fun than first time I played with Diablo 4. Before I played Elden Ring, but not the add-on, just the base game. It's a lot of fun. What's Diablo like? It's a hack and slay genre. Start with a character, yes, starts with a few skills, is weak. You have to kill monsters to get stronger, and the more you kill, the stronger you become, and then after some time you are so strong you kill the entire screen in seconds and just run around killing everything. So the game loop. WW2 World War II, I wouldn't know the. Doesn't seem similar to me. What World War II? I think I did not. Is it a game? I don't know about. Does a game exist? Okay. So the Wheel War, you mean? I don't know the then I don't see how it's similar, or how why it reminds you of it. Um, Still have to find out how I do this. Be I would still do the same. I think it's correct. So it's down and end. Direction and end. Turn direction and end. Turn direction and the end. Where do I? If I would need a second one. Let's go left. Some space. Looking here. Looking here I cannot do. Go on up. Can I do it? Let's do it like this for now. I am here. Turn this, I check. This is blocked. I would go to the right. Totally incorrect position. This is blocking would be a problem. Sounds like a nuke destroying everything on the screen. But your enemies are monsters from hell. Not have a collision here. To the top could have it. Something like can it possible? Oh, I can hit him. Can this way. I can now hit this is blocking. Turn on cursor. Goes to the wood, but why? Don't remember the first check. To see it from the top right again. Top right. Yeah. Something like this. Left down. This is blocking. I remember, I think it was. Can start here. I go left. Now I go, say, left once more. Then I'm here. Then I moved. I need to go down. Is this correct? In this case, I go down. Same case for top left. Start. Put it to one more. So after I move down, it's correct to be behind it. I want to move here. Okay, the corner is the problem. What have you done today? I woke up and started streaming. This is what I've done today. I think stepping does not work because the top left is different for each direction. What would you like to talk about? Programming, coding stuff. But I guess you don't have the knowledge. So I have the point, but I need to check. Can you make music for my game? Could technically, but there are. So yes, you can, but there's one thing I try to keep my game as small as possible. I don't know, making music in kilobyte sizes is pretty difficult. We'll do it for free. If it's your own music, I can put it in basically. I can make the simplest way is I don't know, some checkbox where enable Zyve's music or something like it. And we have to find out which way can give me the music. There are many ways. I don't know if Discord is the correct way to go. But just if you want to make music, like I said, you have to be aware it because this is a. I don't pay for anything here. So my hosting server in the back end, free tier I use is limited in resources, so the smaller my game is, the better for me. So I cannot put in large music files. I can put it in, but I cannot make it default. Discord is the easiest way to send. Yes, I just have to set up a Discord for my YouTube here. Which I do not have done yet, or didn't need to do until now. I have the app, but it's for private use, not for streaming use, let's say. Streaming use, I would do a new account. It's to be separated. my point based on a type is bad. See from a corner. I Do you have to make a new Discord? Just DM me. Not a new server, but a new account I use. I don't want to send private or use private accounts. So if I consider point to be always the opposite side, logic then work maybe. Should avoid let's try something. Instead of top left, bottom right. Arrow it would be here. I think this C. These doesn't matter. So this would hit. Start with here. A B top left, it would be incorrect. Start here. I consider it to be top right. This other side. When can I send you the music? You already have music. We are talking about background music. I have a lot of music, okay. I have to look into it later, maybe how which would be a reasonable way to send music. type of music do you need? Currently, I don't know myself. I have no music in my game, but it's not quite true. Just have the class which makes sounds, but I didn't think much about music until now. Describe it, I didn't think about it. It has to fit to the game. Never thought about how I have to describe someone else how to do the music. I also don't know the vibe. I put it in the game and see if it feels like it fits or not. And let's back to my thing. If the logic is blocking tiles, but my point always be on the other side. Might work. I have to rethink a lot. What's your game about? You can play it and find out yourself. But I don't know if you have a computer to play it. On a phone it doesn't work currently. Can use these positions on the direction I could move. Normally this is the current point is the top left. Can I act on it? One will be 0, one will be -1, 0. Then I would have a different blocking tile. That's correct. But here I will left. Is moving to the top left even correct? The point down here. Then I cannot compare if the point is in there. I have to write it down and then follow struggling ending on view direction. It needs to change. Curly corners for black core tile corners to which it based on view direction. The coach asks you to play in the league. I'm not sure what playing in the league UK specifically means, but it sounds good. Is when you are in a team. Or I don't know. Struggling depending on let's fire darkness down a bit. Line of sight still. I did good. It doesn't fit 100%. Soccer Liga. So I know there are different leagues, let's call it. You more to the top, the stronger the team. So before you weren't playing at all in soccer matches, or I or no ranked matches, or how would I call it? Say a league is a ranked match. You're now a starting player, okay. Bottom division. Division was the name, okay. Starting at the very beginning of professional play. It sounds like this. can I doubt how to think correctly about how I to play my paint my shadows? Mm, to think again how to change my code. It still doesn't work. I know a few things which make it incorrect. Maybe I found a way to split the reuse code. You are defending midfielder. Okay. Very good at it. Good enough to become starting player in your team. Sounds like still a lot to improve, but already pretty good. This is a way for me. Get points. Something is missing. Key on point is I want to check different tiles, I guess. So something like I can put in direction to modify the tile I check blocking, maybe. And my visualizations no longer work. The point top left be incorrect. Tile. So it starts here with the first point. don't have so much time today, probably, to do move based on direction and data steps need to check correct tile based on direction. Something like this might be it. So this is next time. This is in again. It's not in here. Some more twice. Buddy, I gotta ask. Ask fast. I will slowly come to an end for the stream. Or ask next time. Continue struggling. Push it. Let's favorite meat. Seafood. Don't think I have my favorite food in general is pizza. But I wouldn't know how to answer what my favorite meat is. Don't think I have one. Favorite animal to eat. Do I have one? I think the only thing I sometimes eat is döner, and döner has chicken, or don't know what the other one was. But maybe it's chicken then. But I'm not someone who tries a lot of food, so I don't know if it's a favorite if I know more foods. Also like döner. Okay. Let's try one more, at least that it starts. And everything. Darkness works. I guess then I end for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.